And take 3.5 minutes to reset and restore your energy and focus. So what I want you to do is place one hand on your belly, one on your chest, and take a deep inhale. Hold and exhale. Now what I want you to do is you're going to find a point right at the top of your head and you're going to rub it. This is an anxiety point, and you're going to see if you don't feel any tension, you're not on the right point. Now what I want you to do is right in the middle of your chest, that's another anxiety point. I want you to rub it. We're just going to rub about 10 seconds-ish, and you just rub. It should be tender. That's how you know. These are all anxiety points right at the tip of your middle finger. You're going to rub, just stimulate that. So by stimulating it, we're just trying to open the energy channel to help any stress and anxiety that you're feeling. So what I want you to do, right in the middle of your hand, you're going to place your finger and you're going to rub. You can push against the back of your hand so that you have pushing. So you have some resistance here. So again, we're just trying to open up that energy meridian so that you can release any of stress and anxiety. Now take a deep breath and sigh out. Take a deep breath and sigh. Let out any stress or tension that you may be holding. One more time. Inhale. And let your shoulders drop away from the ears. If you want to take another one, just relax. Now go ahead and roll the neck, ear to shoulder, roll one side to the other. Now pull that skin down, open up that fascia. Give me some yeses with that neck. Give me some no's with that neck. Now move the jaw. That jaw is connected to that fascial line. It's right at the top of the line. So go ahead and let that go. A lot of us hold so much tension in our jaws, we don't need to hold it on anymore. So go ahead and go on the other side. Move that jaw around in any way, shape, or form that you need to. Now give me the turtleneck. Out, in, out, in. We're trying to build some stability and stretch out the back, the occiput muscles in the back. Just trying to loosen up any of those neck muscles. Focus on your breathing here. Inhale and exhale. Now take a look over your right shoulder and over your left. Just check your range of motion. How does it feel right now? Again, focus on your breathing. The more you breathe, the more you'll be able to release those tissues. Now what I want you to do is stabilize. Place your hand against your forehead and press and hold and hold. Resist, resist, resist. And now let's go behind your head. Resist, resist, resist. So this is for extension. This is a great posture one. So make sure you're sitting nice and tall as you press the back of that hand and your head. Now right in front, place one hand on top of each other and squeeze. What you're going to do is you're going to feel a nice activation in the front of your body. So this is going to help activate those neck muscles. Now what I want you to do is right on the outside of your ear, I want you to rub, 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 rub. Keep rubbing. And now what I want you to do is just above your jawbone, go ahead and stimulate that as well. Again, like I said before, we hold a lot of tension in our jaw, so we want to release it. Now go just below the cheekbones and rub below. It may be tenor on one side more than another, so if you have tension, just go ahead and rub that out. Now go in your third eye, just rub that out. Again, it's another anxiety point. We want to release any of the tension, open up that meridian so that we can allow positive energy to come in. Now let's finish off with some deep breathing. Go ahead and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale. Hold and exhale. One more time. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Enjoy the rest of your day.